So basically, I just want to do a documentary of the my journey as starting out on YouTube, so that I'll have something to like look back on later. Then I can show it to people. So basically, is year is 2022. Um, I look pretty much forward to going far. So yeah, it's right here, 15th of August 2022, 7:27 p.m. Yeah, so it's just like documentaries to just tell me and remind me that this is where I started from and how I started. So yeah, basically I'm just downloading the banner uh, Photoshop format from FreePic. So what I'm trying to do right now is just kind of like customize it, like make it kind of my vibes, like brand the channel more personal and branded. So yeah, let's see. So this is it. As you can see, there's literally nothing here yet. What I want to upload right now, literally nothing. Because I recently started channel, so empty. Oh, that's alright. That done. I think I don't need my Google anymore. Close that. So let's check out. Designs. Okay, so this. But I literally have no idea of how this is all going to go, but what the heck, I'm actually just going to move with the flow, see where it takes me. So I don't know, so I really hope I can do something that will benefit a lot of people out there, because it was really difficult for me to actually start this channel. So I know a lot of people who are actually looking to start a YouTube channel, but tend to not be able to do that because they feel they cannot, or something stopping them. Literally, guys, there's literally nothing holding you back. So that was how it was for me, and I just feel like I'm gonna help a lot of people. Or as a web designer, I work with WordPress, and I literally have some issues while working with WordPress. So those issues, I'm going to be showing people how I went over it and like fixed my problems. Most of the times, I literally never had someone who would showing me the routes, but I knew how to navigate the internet, find answers on my own. So that was how I literally went by, and I kind of like figured out everything I needed to know. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so I'm like going to just speed this up, and yeah, I'm just going to speed this up right now, and let's do the design process. Yeah, so basically done. That's quite okay with how it's looking. Um, yeah, not so great. I don't think. Cause I've actually seen way better designs, but yeah, if this is what I have, huh? All right, it's okay. We're just starting, so no need to kill ourselves. So all right, yeah, I'm just going to export that now. That seems good. Yeah, so no need for the copyright. I mean, let's just leave that. Just random there. YouTube banner first. So because I think I'm going to actually try out different designs, then going to actually pick a permanent one. Yeah, and that's it. We're done with banner. Okay. I'll leave that. Save that. Yeah. That's let's upload banner and see what it actually looks like. I get the feeling it's going to look so good, but I mean right now I'm starting, so I don't really expect a lot of people to see the channel, so I don't really mind what I upload first. I don't really believe that the first few videos I'll be uploading will actually be for people who have in the channel, because when you are actually starting out, um, a lot of your content would actually be seen, so you just keep uploading so that Facebook can like pick up and then know that yeah, your channel is active, and yeah, it's going to help you, and then if you know brother to branding. I love that's it. Okay, so after much uploading and re-editing, uploading, and I think I have what I want. So it's not really the best, but since I'm starting out, I don't really kind of like judge a lot. Uh, I think I'll make do with what is here right now. Okay, so let's view the channel, see what it's looking like right now. Probably just like let me use my other email. I don't like what you can just keep session, just find out what is and yeah, probably see what you're looking for and to filter this out. Looking for channels. And for something this week doesn't work channel, so search manually. Probably is not showing up because maybe I have already have not put any video. Yeah, maybe that it's not showing. but there are a lot of Asha Andrew. Seriously, I mean people answer this name. Alright though. Okay. I think maybe after I upload the first video, I'll come back to check. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What else? Yeah, so I'm probably going to basic info, fill in some details. I think so. About my channel. Well, for starters, WordPress tutorial. Specifically geared to Nigerians, because a lot of issues are there when you are trying to create a website. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be focusing on that just to fix Nigerians. Those are my target audience. And SEO, plugins review, and Teams review. So yeah, probably I think that should be enough. Right? That's what's good. And that's pretty much it. Digital marketing. Yeah, because mostly once in a while we're talking about marketing and sales psychology. Why not? That's the psychology. I'm a very big fan of psychology, so I usually like it's like how the brain works, what makes us good. So yeah, why not? Just they add something I love to do. Maybe like talk about that's not the spelling is wrong. Oh, no. There's that. This was alright, so I want to see what it looks like. For some reason, the image didn't upload. Yeah. Oh, I don't know why. Oh, yeah. Load this. It's looking good, so kind of happy with it. So yeah, some of the text. But so let me see it on mobile. Let's go on to back. I'm still put. And that's that. So probably this recording is going to be the first thing you're going to see on the